It's a deep.
Yeah, it's a deep one up there, huh?
A little deep.
You got a small tip on there, right?
Yeah, we got it cut small. Yeah. So we want to try to fill this void in this gap here where the window didn't meet the sill at the top there, or at the top of the rock.
The tighter that bead, the better.
Right. Man, we got a little gap, more so. The gap varies here, so you have to put it on and wipe it down here. It looks better than it was.
And depending how much caulking you have to put on there, I mean,
Yeah.
you might decide that when you get all done, if you're not happy with it, you could cut in that edge.
You cut in the
right
edge
down to the window.
or on the drywall, exactly.
You know, if you want to do that, or take your damp rag, wipe off any excess you happen to see.
That's right.
You know, or damp sponge, whatever.
Yeah,
you got.
exactly. Yeah. That's one thing. You can have a couple rags with you and get it cleaned off. Paper towel. Get the excess off. I think it's looking better. Why not? Yeah, why not just kind of do it. This side here looks pretty good. The top, like we had said, it's got a bigger little gap here on the top. So maybe we'll put just a little bit more and smooth it off so we can try to close in that. Look a little better there, see?
Yeah, right in there. Right
and
there.
Because it's some areas are a little bit more. And then, you know, the shutters are going to come in here, so if the top is real ragged, just try to get it the best you can and wipe it off, and generally focus in on the sides of the windows here too. And
yeah, if your windows have mini blinds or shutters
the
or
top's not real critical, but you want to get it sealed off.
something like that.
Yeah, you want to get it sealed still.
He's got a little paper towel there. He wipes off the excess, and I see you wipe your finger. You kind of lick your finger too.
Well, yeah, or just get it
damp
wet.
it. You just damp it a little.
Yeah, it's probably not a good practice to lick it because
I've done that.
Yeah.
I do it a few times.
You start tasting caulking after a while. You want another one of them cookies. So anyway,
It will be.
you just kind of go down, and like we know that the windows are not uniformly squared off here, but as you're seeing, as I come down here with the bead of caulking, it leaves a nice clean finish. And then take your rag, if you got any excess that happen to get on, you can feel it.
Yeah.
And your hand, your finger will glide right along the edge here. And another process, another solution, they make a colored caulking, like a bone, an antique, and sometimes people use that and you don't have to touch up the paint if there's a gap or something.